Unwanted or non-working electronic devices have become known as electronic waste or e-waste. In Ghana, much of this waste is broken up by scrap metal dealers who recover the metal from it. However, it's estimated that about 80,000 people living around the country's biggest e-waste dump are at risk of food contamination. CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai tells us more.
Adiza Mutala sells porridge and local delicacies to residents of Abugoloshi, a slum in Accra which is the biggest electronic waste dump in Ghana. She is one of many residents here affected by pollution from the rubbish.
The activities of the scrap dealers really affect our health, but we have no other alternative than to continue selling food here. This is my only source of income.
Research by environmental groups IPEN and the Basel Action Network has found that some of the most hazardous chemicals on earth are entering the food chain through the disposal of e-waste in Abugoloshi. It says an analysis of eggs laid by the free-range chickens in the area showed toxins that could pose serious health risks to residents who eat them. Scrap metal dealers here agree the activities pollute the environment, but with over 5,000 people employed in the industry, activity cannot be completely stopped.
We need waste collectors to put it.
We need waste collectors to put the waste in. If we have some of the waste tanks here, anytime we get the waste, we will put it inside. That will help us keep this scrapyard clean.
And then we are scrapyard.
Environmental groups also believe the food market near Abugoloshi could be contaminated with toxic substances as a result of the smoke and dust from the dump.
Researchers advise treating Abugoloshi as a heavily contaminated site that requires cleanup. However, the government says it is not currently considering closing the e-waste dump.
Training workshops have been set up, providing advice on how to collect, dismantling and disposal of e-waste. And the government is also attempting to resolve the problem. It says it is working on building an integrated e-waste recycling facility at Abugoloshi to help control the pollution and protect the health of residents and food vendors like Adiza Mutala. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.